ngoba mnandi sengizothula igest yethu yokugcina ithenge Thobeka ngicela ungayenzi biography yami izokhuluma about business and ideas Njabulo Zwane
Nama makona. Salibonani. Igama lami uNjabulo. Igama lami uNjabulo. Ngithanda ukubingelela ubaba udokotela noma udokotela. Phinde ngibingelele nobaba uZulu khona ngaphakathi kwethu ngiyambingelela naye. Ngithanda ukuthi iFathers Day baba in advance lapho sasazobe ngingekho esontweni due to businesses. Sokuqala ukusekhuluma self love wathi into yenza fanele iyithanda should have business nami ngithanda thatha serious ngale ukuthi angikwazi ukulala mekuse nje uzokhuluma about business angikwazi because ngiyalazi even ivoice yami igcotshiwe for ukukhuluma nje I can speak kuze kusekuseni okay ngoba ngade ngicela ukuthi ngashiya biography yami ukuthi sekuningi ngikwenzayo manje ngibona ukuthi mhlawumbe we can spend 15 minutes ngikushiya biography yami okay, ngicela ngisho ngifika nje uNjabulo wazalwa eNanda Newtown A clinic. Uzalwa ngomhla 23 next week lesonto. Ngiqala ukwenza ibhizinisi esikoleni ngangifunda ekhanya ukusa ngangidayisa amaclinati esikoleni eprimary. Uzobona ukuthi ngangithanda. Ngasuka eprimary school juice izinto ezazikhona ekhaya ngahlala eMlazi ngafika eMlazi ngadayisa ngiproud ukuthi ngiproud ngidayisa ugwayi nensanga like esikoleni principal wayazi ukuthi mase besikhathi loke break noma bekukhona amabhanki uzongifica khona lapho ngidayisa ngangimemeza iclass neclass besinayo lento abayidlayo nayo lento abayisabayo asanda ukusoshisa isikole ngasuka eFoleni ngazofunda ikhethokuhle afike ikhethokuhle ngenhlanhla ngase ngimazi uNkulunkulu ngakuyeka ukubheka ayikwikwi wafika usathana ngahlangana noJames uJames is a Nigerian guy usebenzela lapho ePoyini I was selling amaphilisi uqhu like ngosuku akwazi ukulala ngemali like ngosuku bengeke event nje ngaze usikhona akwazi ukulala ngakwazi ukuhambisa imali ngo 5000 ekseni ijeni yami ngasuka lapho baba wangideliver ngaba right ngaye ukudayisa amaphilisi ebantswephu ephaketheni lapho kwaba blind laza ngayisho ukuthi inxuswana ngideliver ngakho bengikwazi ukuthi bekwazi ngize ngomcebelo wami lodayisa kuye nemali ekseni nesonto nesophela nginjalo ade ngigunyile nginjalo umgunyo like it's a substance okwazi ukuhlala nabantu but ukuthi ukushaya le mpahla siyababona every time hleli nje usudwetshela uvi even idayisa nabo nje every time ngiyababona sebefuna ukwenza nje ngiyababona sebefuna ukuphoxa itole ngiphethe okay ngasuka lapho ngaye elendodana college lenza marketing study college nakhona futhi juthi ukuthi imali engekho uzofakaza lapha wona uSipho ngazona namanye amakhalada awuthu ayibhanka kodwa ayipass ayitshela nokuthi mfethu we are smoking Durban poison say passela so big classes isibhebile sipass wena wozobheka ukuthi kanjani soorganize the staff and then ngaphinde ngabuyela kusebenzisa after that ngasuka kubendimesheni college ngangena kulezi zinto zo-South esigele ngashintsha futhi lapho nobani ngangiyilida from eSouth esigele kwe-religion kakufanele nje siniveze isithondo se-religion ivangeli langisebenza ngala ngenza lezi zinto ngala ngisebenza ivangeli ngala nosathane ngisebenza. After this ngahlangana awongoka lokho ngaqeda e-college ngaqeda ngalo nyaka ngaqeda ngawo i-marketing yami. Ngase ngiqedile i-marketing ngahlangana Fakol manje Fakol ngathi ngakwazi ngixolisa ukusebenzisa isinene kwaba singasunderstanda nonke ngahlangana lusho kwaNthwebo bengithi kwaNthwebo ekhaya wangasebenza nangasebenza and then usisi wami osebenza eMpumalanga Church icela ukubhodela izikhwama zala MK eGoli ngadayisa izikhwama ngahlangana nomjito i-SA founder ama-blog wathi mina ngento azokufundisa wena ukwenza imali wathi ngithi namadata ngathi mina yes wathi ngizohlezi wathi namadata wathi mina azokufundisa into ukwenza imali mina into ozoyenza uzofaka influence kwi-audience yakho le nabantu abaphezulu abangakwazi ukuyenza uyishide thing leso wasasifundisa ukuthi bona bathagesa nabantu abangaphansi nawathagesa ngento okay i-audience yakho khona abantu abafuna into eyishibile like okay ngisebenzisa le system engiyenzela ngisebenzela yangibhora nje and then ngahlangana nabafethu abenza another clothing branding yengubo ekusuyi corruption yaduma kakhulu elokushini like edrobheni akekho mhlawumbe wakazebona ibhala corruption and then ngahlangana nabo emva kwalokho ngase ngihlangana nabafethu be-corruption sasplitha phakathi juthi ukuthi iphesenti esahlukanisana naleliningi kwakufanele umuntu asosho sasichana nabasolo 5 rand sonke ngayiyeka-ke leyo and then ayithuthi ngahlala phansi ngakhumbula ukuthi noma besengafunda ngaqala lami ibhizinisi I have a clothing brand now ebizwa nge-Illusion uNkulunkulu angibusise ngayo last year I managed to do 2,500 sama-sales ami if I was doing the-sales analysis ami which lokho sekungibeke ethubeni lokuthi ngikwazi ukusebenza namanye ama-celebrities akumele ngihamba ngiwa-approach iwona se-approach-a mina sinjabule we do believe in the brand yakho cause siyayibona ukuthi siza kahle last year started nge-design lolwami sigqoke isikipho sakhona usuku lwabo esibona i-design engaqala ngayo last year eyayishisa ikhosa le design namanje basayifuni ubaphinda usawufuna nje nayo uPopayi cela uze lapha phambili lwabe ikona this is the brand engangiyidayisa ngena ningasengibheka sengibelieve like yona ukuthi nje if ungalungi la ngasengibatshela nasekhaya singalungi la ngiyothalatha ngikhuluma iqiniso nasengibatshela ngiyothalatha and then last year ngakwenza konke lokho this year ngafunda ngesikhathi if you have a brand you should every time you should come up with something new abantu abangayazi abangazi be-expert and then this year I come up with the design entsha osisi bakhona begqoke isidumile i-brand yami nabo ngalapha yabo sifanele ngalapha nabo abanye ngiyaxolisa sizopromote i-brand yami sizoqeda masingizela edabeni engizengalo nami ngigqokile nalo ibhuku lakhona nayo ijacket yakhona this is the brand engiphila ngayo ke after yonke into sengiyenzile this is the thing engakhetha ukuphila ngayo ngoba wasitshela ukuthi imali ayikho ngaphakathi esontweni but it's outside even ama-celebrities they look babukela kuthina ama-local brand ukuthi akwazi ukuqala into zawo mina ngathi because ngumuntu omnyama ugovernment wethu olontunja ibhilili kakhulu yonke isizokwela kuthina abantu abamnyama even ama-black sisezokwazi ukuthi sifone indawo and then I decided ukuthi I persuade this brand ngiyiphusha ngale ndlela engiyiphusha ngayo namhlanje sengiyakwazi usekhanda budget zakhe namhlanje ngalipheka ikabishi uzokuya ngenyanga sengiyakwazi ukubatshela nawo if abafisa nomhlanje abasosele ukuthi bafetha mhlanje nangophethe manje uphethe ikhadi Angisela na ngakazi ukucabanga ukqala ibusiness base ngizokhuluma ngalo manje ibusiness ngiyabonga bosisi. Nase nabahle. Yonke le jacket siyangishisa ngale singathi ngayiphi umuntu othize. It's not the part of the market strategy. Unibona uthuli. Unibona uthuli. Unibona singaphathi kuzobelana. Something that you spend with the personal skin and so that next week you will say, oh, tell me possible the jackets were friends. This can't stay my lots of good money than is it. So we have not basic case of phone that grade 9, you standard 9, standard 7. So color ground basic, there are type of businesses. One to the sole trader, which is owned by motor head, like a professor so naive in a mood, Jengam, the Sweet and Kaka. More years than we are used. There's a partnership. Which partnership is required my partners also contributes and also equal capital. The capital is the money every seven South Carolina business. Most of us are seeing capital because the kitchen must stay up bank, so your phone number themselves, which is not good for business. I think it good the business in the school. Say an exam, because I'm just precious specialists in the school. Which lapho business lapho business lakho liendapha mhlawumbe liquidate or ugcina dliwe impahla yakho or ugcina li collapse njengabe khona mase kuba khona lesibizwa ngama co-op ama-co-op iswebha ihlangana sebe group lapho siba kodwa sigcina ku if I'm not mistaken lapho i-co-op iswebha ihlangana khona sizohlangana ngomqondo wodwa it's either mhlawumbe siyathunga or senza ubuhlali or sidayisa inkukhu or sidayisa kodwa le sokwazi sikwazi ukuthi sicontribute sonke but lapho sokukhona umuntu oyedwa sokusobani uchairman lo muntu uchairman ngezulu kusuka uhlalo ngazo nginathatha ngikhuluma izinkohleli lo uhlalo yena usuke ekwazi ukuthi yena no SG or no treasurer abasuke bezocontrol imali zebhizinisi which le co-op ile ugovernment wethu wase South Africa uCyril Ramaphosa Matamela I promote these days even nondunankulu wethu sihlezi kalala I promote abantu abaqale wona ama-co-op because ugovernment wona awafanda kakhulu these days but iphuthe sesilenza after sesifandiwe kuma-co-op ethu nakuma-partnership esifuna onke lama-type of businesses ethu siyagijima sothenga amavupha sabe sothenga izinto ey'bizayo but ibhizinisi nalalo nalenza njani ngalesikhathi nawenza njalo liyavi ibhizinisi ungcono answer ngithola mnene sasefile ngebhizinisi lakho iginqa levropana kabadinga insurance siyabuza thina njabule inkinsela madoda into ecabuna kusale into enike lishumi ibindi kuzisikoko sesiqedile nokunikela masele kunjalo kwebusiness lakho lapho selwile sesiphelile ngebusiness lakho which choose lapho siwapha sesiyobuka lento lethi business plan yini i-business plan i-business plan inesitwane lesi obhala khona i-vision ne-mission ka-business we said is a mission statement asisho ukuthi it's just a mission ngoba nama-social asethi ne-mission ezohamba eyonza leyo nto but it's a mission statement whereby business lakho masekuqala collapse uyahamba ubheka ukuthi i-vision yakho it was clear enough kuna sexesha khona if uqamba igama lebhizinisi fanele kube lula ukulibiza libe catch like we use the same letters in we use either fanele libe attractive libe interesting libe different from amagama sekama khona the either for a business lakho or a business lakho uma usuyenzile your business plan fanele ukwazi ukuthi ukuthi uma ngibuza mina business lami like I'm selling about idodona ukuthi business plan yami manje after 10 years ngibona semila because it's in the business plan yami lokho although okunye ngakafika ikolo ku business plan yami but sekukhona engiqalayo into ekuyibona lama-business planners sifike sibhale into ama-business planners sesifuna ukuqala i-Internet Cafe sekuyawa sesiyathunga i-Internet Cafe sekuyawa sidayisa ama-Friday khona kuse-Internet Cafe kukhona lokho kwi-business plan lokho ku-wrong-ke kwi-business uzokwenza njalo fanele uqale ukukhula kwi-products eyodwa if uhlula le-products ukuyikhulisa sikhona thina onjabulo ama-aspects kwi-marketing sokutshela ukuthi how to do this, how to open this door, how to open this door, how to shut this door. Lokho kushakisayo ukuthi like if nje usomabhizinisi like you don't have a business plan nalo nemali engiyicharge for i-business plan futhi ukususela yona phansi kwenzele yona nemali engicharge but siyasikho lapho namhlanje. Business lakho lingosile register. After business lakho se-register, so you can go lapho abayo-register khona uhambe uyofuna i-funding. I-funding ikhona leyo indawo ngeke ngimqambe lamanye cishe ngeke ngimgoqe basilanguage enyaziyo kuleleyo ngeke ngimgoqe i-funding ikhona but into eyinkinga they can't give you into nane-funding ungasazi isitori sakho or ungekho wena bafuna beqale bekufundise ngebhizinisi ukuthi how to operate in the industry akuyona. When industry operates akuyona igcwala abantu abangakholwa. They do like anyhow. Choose a small picture with customer economy picture. It's a good price, it's a good quality. In the way shy ukuthi the customer services after sesibenzele konke lokho business plan asibesawana ngama customers ukuthi acomplain ngani or what is yini khona kwi-industry. Mase ngibona la usawuso register a business abo besanda try to register business abona futhi 900 rand abona 1000 rand uregister business is 175 rand ukhokha kabona 175 rand yaza bakhona abasase babakhokho 800 rand babakhokho ndonjani 2000 rand base babeniqola mina ngitshela iqiniso angisabi ukukhuluma iqiniso mina ngokwakazwana sibongo mangethe babeniqola nebazi imali zenu uregister business 175 rand kade 100 rand kade 150 kunema office akuthiwa la CIPI asedrobheni ukhokha 175 rand and then business lakho hambisa amagama ufake business lakho and then umuntu mase kuxhopha vela silesa amagama u20 enzela usingawusho i-confusion eqala tatazeshila amagama u20 athi uyawafuna leqala uwatateza usila amagama u20 mase uyakhokha lo 800 rand wakho kade 175 rand mawufuna leyo information futhi consultation yami ngitshele inyanga le mina ngiyithanda consultation yami ngizokutshela uzokusebenzisa invoice That's not going to be good. Look, if you move most of the drop in address now 50 rand, check this in a day to go straight. Ubaba usifundiseni into athi fanele ngaso sonke isikhathi nje ubone opportunity sebenzisa opportunity. Amangibona opportunity. Amandi yamebona. Amandi ukwazi ukuthi ngibona amandi. Amandi yamebona umuntu omnyama ngizwaboza indlela. Cela ukubuza ngaphi indawo ukuthi is there my friend? Now uhambe lapho ukuthi uyafika yikho leyo ndawo because one opportunity sokuhlala ngomuntu omnyama. Mina sengamsebenzela umuntu omnyama sengamsebenzela umlungu sengamsebenzela India sengasebenza nalabafisi base-Afrika abanye sengasebenza even ebane-business course yokusho ngiyakwazi ukukhanda imoto mina lo because bawayethe umuntu umebuza into ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi ucela ukufunda ngizofunda mase like ngiyakwazi lo imoto from scratch ukuthi imoto mayibaqala kanje fanele ukuthenga udaka after udaka kufaka lokho after lokho kufaka lokho and then it's well prepared for anything. Business ke kulula uku-operate. Fanele into ebalulekile kakhulu bangishilo capital. If you have capital enough, you ungalenza business. But mase ngasenzeki go back to business plan yakho. Kunesisombe sami lapha into ozasangifakela la ngifanele sini. But it's fine yena ngisaphosa join. But into discourage oh nasi isisombe sami nalapho umuntu loya imina loya lo lapha eqaleni i-business plan yami but kuze kufike lapha kuma-goals ami ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe nesitolo sami. Ngikwazi ukuthi sibe nesitolo sami kufanele ngiqale ngidivise lezi zinto leziyana. But ngeke ngisachaza kodwa nasibona nje nalo sisafana kwi-society. Mina i-society seyangitshela ngasekhathi njabule ngathi uyadunyelwa manje lento yakho mawuphinde nesikoleni phambi yofunda ngekwazi ukuthi kulethele imali enough ngahlangana nefee ekwazi naw sengilapha kwigoli yami ngasho ukuthi nje sengila ngifuna ukuba khona because now akusamele approach ama customers usibona se approach mina ensukwini engangani nje cala ngishayela izandla kuqala ayibona amacubi khona ngayishaya izandla cala ngishayela izandla ngicelwe esitolo esisize esinesquare esibomvu Sabona amaxhoba amanye ndiyawajabula kwasuka wamaswe endaweni bekucelebo mase unyawo lakho ndoda selifikile shothi usuku usukhona lapho they said ufike ufike cishe athi ngizo-preach brand but ngizoyi-preach brand yami because khona bezokwazi ukunginikeza ispace esitolo ngikwazi ukuyidayisa kwangagcina nalapho-ke ngoba nje ngishilo eqala sengiqala ukuthi famous people bangibuza even ey'ndaweni ey'thize mengifika vele brand engizowenza mina yayi ngizibe yimini awuhlalaphi ngihlala enani okay one of the famous people ocula ingoma eyadini uthe ucela ube brand ambassador ama-10,000 usikontekthwa ama-brand ambassador if nje uzoqala ibhizinisi lakho uyitshele ukuthi awuyinaki ivunguvuka endleleni ezofika ngicela umotivate nalo siyelo selilahlile ithemba ibhizinisi plan yakho useyifake phansi kwamatrasi wakasayiboni lento yakho hayi mtaka baba nyahambeka ngizobesho njalo uma sebeshadile mtaka baba nyahambeka nalaka bhizinisi yahambeka nakhona ekhona izinto ezibakhona endleleni la uzofika khona kuswayithaba baba hayi yabo kade sayiqala sina lento enoba nawuzayo mina ngimina mfisi nami ngisazama sesingezwa ngani sinobani yabona mina inqamba amakhonta show ufundisi umyeza last week wasisibusiso sala ekhaya asinezelo usizi sengivala namphela bafundisi masabatendeni ngaphendula etendeni sengivala lapho serious ngaphendula etendeni sengivala ngifuna ukuthi bafezi laba bafuna uba ama-entrepreneur sho njalo ama-entrepreneur entrepreneurship bafezi nesiyibambe iqine amathuba akhona la ngaphandle abantu balinde ethini if usohlala la esontweni ngelithi mina ngiyuse the sales isikhathi esiningi kunendaba no-advertise into enendaba nama-sales even ngisihanga ngakutshela mina kumele ngibuza ama-city ababa ngijose ngisihanga mangaka ama-sales usuwenzile mina I don't care about ukuthi impahla ikhona isitokhi singaba khona wonke umuntu engakwazi ukuthenga isitokhi sihlala but into ebalulekile ama-sales uzwena wenza ama-sales amangaki ngenyanga because into esiyizele mina ngihlezi into engayizele emhlabeni imali mina ngikhuluma iqiniso ngapela nje emhlabeni sizoba nemali after sengibe nemali nginikele endlini kaNkulunkulu ngiyabonga baba ngiyabonga lokungibonela inansika ushudo kulifika ngiyabonga baba ukukhuleko yakho every time ngihamba khona la sihamba khona nalo bese umunye ngisebenzisana naye
siyayibona baba ukuthi hayi lento ohlezi usitshela iriyeli ngempela if uzokholelwa entweni yakho nento oyinikeziwe ungabi nendaba ukuthi bakhona abanye seke babakhona kule ndlela mina nginenhlanhla njalo kufika khona ngitshela ngokuthi owafika wafeyile ukwenza idini nabantu so awusiphathana sasiyamzama mana kunaleyo nhlanhla ngiyabonga baba ukuthi identity yakho nale mpahla yami engangikhulekele sisiyamile intshebe ngiyabonga. I'm excited to